In 2008, a man pulled off one of the most brilliant armored car heists ever using nothing but Craigslist. Anthony Curcio had a wild plan. He posted fake construction job ads on Craigslist. The catch? All workers had to wear yellow safety vests, blue shirts, and work boots to a meeting spot in Seattle. For months, Curcio prepared like a movie villain. He practiced ziplining, studied guard schedules, even rented his escape route. On heist day, dozens of innocent job seekers showed up dressed exactly like him. Perfect camouflage. Curcio pepper-sprayed a Brinks guard and grabbed $400,000. Then he vanished into the crowd of confused workers. But here's the crazy part. He escaped by floating down a river on an inner tube. The elaborate scheme impressed even the FBI, but Curcio got cocky. He left DNA evidence on his escape rope. Surveillance cameras caught him during his planning trips. 6 years in prison for the most theatrical heist in history. Sometimes the best plans have the smallest flaws.